Alright, welcome to another Maker Monday, and today I'm going to teach you how to make nail polish marbled mugs. But you can actually marble just about anything you want this way. It just looks really cool on a mug. So I am going to marble one of these mugs and a little glass jar. To start, you totally need a bucket or something to put water in that you don't ever want to use again for anything but this. You're gonna get a lot of nail polish on it and it's just not coming off. So once you've got your water in your bowl, you're gonna take some nail polish, and the goal is to get this nail polish to sit on the top of the water and not fall through to the bottom. You want to use the surface tension of the water. So you just pour just a little bit. See, and if you go too fast, it'll fall through. Just a little drip. And once it gets to the top of the water, you want it to spread out a little. So this polish that I'm putting down first is pretty translucent. But what I'm letting it do is spread out and kind of make a film. And then the other polishes that I put on there will kind of stick to that. Hopefully. And this is a craft you want to do on a day where you can open all of the windows or go outside. And I like to layer, oh, there's no more purple polish in there. I like to start by layering a bunch of paint on the top of the water, but you can also go color by color. And then I shake the water a little bit to get everything to spread out and make this really cool layer of nail polish that looks kind of like marbles. Now, once you've got polish on the water and you're ready to dip your mug, you want to make sure that you don't get it on the inside of the mug, because otherwise anytime you drink out of it, it'll taste like hot nail polish, which is awful. So I just like to kind of go in at an angle and dip as much as I feel like I want to get colors on. And then I take a Q-tip and try to swish all of the nail polish away that I don't want to stick over top. And then pull it out of the water gently. And it should look pretty cool. Every time you do this, it's going to turn out different. Each one's unique, kind of like that whole snowflake thing. And since I still have a little bit of color floating on top of my water, I'm just going to add into this to dip my jar. And if you have a little film of nail polish on the water, you can start to draw patterns with other colors over top, because it'll help with the surface tension. So these are gonna take a long time to dry because you've got a lot of nail polish on there. And you wanna dry them outside if possible because they're stinky. And I'm just kind of letting the water move it around. And then dip. And that is how you marble things with nail polish. Now, if you've made messes on your mugs that you want to clean up, use a little nail polish remover to wipe up any excess. And otherwise, have fun experimenting. But also, try to do this when you've got some fresh air coming into the house, because it really does smell a lot. Alright, well this has been a really quick and fun Maker's Monday. Hope you enjoyed this, and we'll see you around.